Today for phonics, we're going to sort by middle sound. All of these words will have a long vowel sound in the middle. That means that in the middle of the word, the vowel says its name. It sounds just like the name of the letter. Those sounds are on our chart. Those sounds are A, acorn, I, ice, O, ocean, E, eagle, and U, unicorn. Remember, those are our new sounds that we learned where the vowel says its name. Let's get started. Right here, I have grapes. What long vowel do you hear in there? A, E, I, O, or U? Grapes. Yeah, I hear A, acorn. Let's look at another one. Here I have skate. Skate. What do you hear in the middle of skate? That's right, I hear A, acorn again. This is a Jeep. What long vowel sound do you hear? That's right, I hear E, eagle, E, Jeep. Should that go here with grape and skate? No, those are the long A sound. This is the long E sound. So we'll put it over there. Next one. I have 9. Do you hear the long vowel sound in the middle of 9? What do you hear? Did you hear I, ice, I, 9? Yeah, me too. Does it go with grape? No. Does it go with Jeep? No. 9. Awesome. Let's do the next one. This is a cake. What long vowel sound do you hear in the middle of cake? Do you hear I, ice? No. Do you hear O, ocean? No. Do you hear A, acorn? Yeah. K, A. Grape, skate, cake. What about feet? What long vowel sound do you hear in the middle of feet? Did you hear E, eagle, E in feet? I did too. Does it go here? Grape, feet? No. Does it go here? 9 feet? No. Does it go here? Jeep, feet? Yes. They have the same middle sound. What about game? Game. What do you hear in the middle of game? Did you hear it? That's right, it's an A, acorn, A sound. A long A. Grape, game. Jeep, game, E-A, no. Nine, gay, aim, no. Yeah, gray, ape, gay, aim. What about sheep? Sheep. Do you hear a long vowel sound in the middle of sheep? Did you hear eagle, E? I think you did. Let's add it. Where does it go? Does it go here? Grape, sheep. No. Does it go here? Jeep, sheep. Yeah. And just to check, does it go here? 9, sheep. No. Let's check them all to make sure we got them right. Grape, skate, cape, game. Those all have that long A, that A, acorn sound. Let's look at these. Jeep, feet, sheep. That's right. Those all have those long E sounds, as in eagle. And then over here, this one all by itself, 9. I. Oh, that one has that ice sound. Here's your phonics homework. Ahí es la tarea fonética de hoy. Use your magnetic letters to make the words in the 6 pictures. Listen to the beginning, middle, and ending sounds. All these words will have the long vowel A, E, or I in the middle. Usa tus letras magnéticas para hacer las palabras en las 6 imágenes. Escuche los sonidos iniciales, medios y finales. Todas estas palabras tendrán una vocación larga, A, E, or I, en el medio. These words are rake, gate, slide, bean, key, and queen. Parents, older siblings, and family. I am not looking for the correct grown-up spelling of the words. In fact, most of these words will not be spelled correctly in K2. What we want in K2 is for the kid to hear the first sound, the long vowel in the middle, and the end sound. For example, in the word make, I would want to see M-A-C or M-A-K with magnetic letters as a correct K2 answer. Padres, hermanos, mayores y familiares. No estoy buscando la ortografía correcta y adulta de las palabras. De hecho, la mayoría de estas palabras no se deletrean correctamente. Lo que queremos en K2 es que el niño escuche el primer sonido, la vocal larga en el medio y el sonido final. Por ejemplo, en la palabra make, me gustaría ver M-A-C o M-A-K con letras magnéticas.